Hi! In front of me is Nokia C31, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Nokia. First of all, you need to open Clock app. Following that, choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then add your own by choosing this plus icon. Finally, you can set up an hour and save it by tapping on OK. So sorry, misclick. Now adjust your alarm however you wish to. You can click on those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant Routine to switch on or off those features. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Wednesdays. Click on Add Label at the top and save it by choosing OK. After that, you can click on this bell icon, select the best source for you, in my case sounds, and tap on Add New if you wish to add music from your smartphone. You need to click on it over here and go back. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to stick to one of those system sounds. Like for example, helium. When you finished, tap on the back button. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by clicking on this switcher next to it, or turn it back on the same way. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, select Delete icon at the bottom. And if you wish to manage more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, tap on Settings, and manage all of them however you wish to, like Snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!